in this video, I'll demonstrate my end-to-end ML pipeline for the London Bicycle dataset using Google Cloud Composer with Airflow. So I will walk you through the setup first and then code and BigQuery extraction and model training. Then GCS storage and automated email notification. So let me go through my project setup first. So here I've created the project file in that like in particular file, the project folder to save my Python script because I have written this Python script locally and then uploaded it to Composer. So now let me go through the administrative part. So here I have created a service account, like default service account, because I was trying to use this already created service account for our previous lab, but for that I got some error with space. So that's why I use this default service. And here I have assigned the like certain roles which are required: a BigQuery job user, composer worker, then log viewer, and then service account user and storage object admin. And now let me go through the BigQuery part. So here uh, I have extracted the dataset from London Bicycle dataset. So this is the query. So let me tell you first that what I'm training. So I'm training simpler linear regression model to predict bicycle trip duration. So for this, actually the model uses some features like hour, day of week and month, and whether there is a whether it is a weekend or not, and it will use start station name and station name also. So that's why I have created this data set first in the folder ML staging, and the table name is duration feature. So I have created this, and then from the BigQuery public data set for London, specifically London cycle cycle hire. For that, I have choose cycle hire data set, and I use the location. EU location for specifically for London dataset. And after running this query, I got this. If you want me to run, let me run it again. Ah, why? Okay. So I don't know why it's not running. But after running this, I got this data set. Let me show you. Yeah, it's done. So after running this, I got this data set duration features, and let me go through the preview. So here I have extracted, we can see that I've extracted all the related columns to train my model. Duration, second, hour, do, month, is, weekend, start station name, and this is the log duration. So all the features are extracted. So after doing these, let me go through the bucket also. So for bucket, I've created this bucket for this project only, Europe West 2 ML Composer, and here I have uploaded all the I have uploaded the Python file also. So let me go through this Python file now. So as I told you that I am training a simpler linear regression model. So initially, after doing all the GCS bucket setup and everything, I configured each ID and location here in the Python script. So my project ID and then BigQuery dataset. The folder is ML staging, and the dataset folder is ML staging, and in that particular dataset, the feature dataset table is um it is sorry, I showed it. I already showed it to you. It's feature duration feature. Yeah, sorry, I forgot. And then the GCS bucket, I also showed it to you. So this is the GCS bucket named, and the DEG ID is London Bikes Duration Pipeline V1 that I have created. So, and this is to just to reduce number of rows because I was getting error with the number of rows also. Now, let me go through the code. So this is code for defining a function to train the model, to load the data set, feature, like splitting features and target variable, and then training the model that I'm using here, linear regression. Initially, I thought to train a model for suggestion of station name, and for that, I had to use logistic regression. But because of class imbalance, I had to go back to this idea again. And here's to evaluate and save. This script is like it is to evaluate and save the model. And then moving further, this log completion function is for define, like it's for like to for logging and logging with DAG to build the features, train the features, notify notification, and that last email task. And for that, I use this statement that London Bikes model training is complete. So now let me go back to GCS, and yeah, so let me show you. Yeah. Okay. So no, not this one. Let me go to composer. Yeah. So the composer ID. Okay. So this is my current working composer. And yeah. So my PyPI packages. So I have uploaded all the required libraries, and the configuration setup with SMTP specifically for email notification only. And I'm using the port 587, and the email backend knowledge in this email section. And also for the email notification, I had to add the connection also. Let me go through that too. So let's go to composer again. Let's go to, okay. So here in admin connections section, I had to add con ID as well to get the notification, because I got success with everything. Just email notification part was left, and for that I found that this particular setup was not done. So I have created this con ID for app password, which was required to run this model. And after doing this, like it was all done. See, all the part got success. And now let me rerun it. Oh, I got stuck or what? Okay. Yeah. So here we can see my previously error logs, and I got success. Okay. So let me run it again. And it's working. And you can see the logs as well. So it was executed perfectly. Notify the model. It's done. An email notification. Okay. And let me show you the email notification also. See, here I got the notification that model training complete and check GCS model and metrics. So that's all. My model is working successfully, and that concludes it concludes my demo, that I have shown the full pipeline, like from data extraction from BigQuery to model training, and then saving everything and saving results to GCS also, and automated mail notification using Airflow. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.